In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print OneNote note pages. To get started, let's first open OneNote on your computer. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the specific note page you want to print from your list of pages. Simply click on it to select it. After you have your desired page ready, it's time to navigate to the printing options. Begin by clicking on the File tab at the top left corner of your screen. This tab is your gateway to a variety of useful tools, and today we'll focus on the print function. Once you've accessed the File menu, locate and click on the Print option. This will bring up another set of choices, but before moving forward, let's take a moment to get a clear picture of our page through Print Preview. Click on Print Preview to unfold how your page is set to appear when it comes out of the printer. Since OneNote offers an infinite canvas for writing, it's common to need adjustments here so everything fits neatly onto standard paper sizes like A4 or letter. While in Print Preview, you'll get a snapshot of how your note page will look in physical form. Now that we have a visual, let's move on to adjusting the print settings for an optimal fit. You'll see an option to select your printer. If you're ready to print physically, choose your connected printer. Alternatively, if you want a digital copy, selecting Microsoft Print to PDF is a great choice. Ensuring that current page is marked under the print range will make sure only the page you carefully selected earlier gets printed. Orientation and scaling are two key features to glance at if you find your content spilling over the paper's edges or awkwardly cropped. Adjusting orientation will allow you to toggle between portrait or landscape layouts depending on your page's design. For a more refined fit, you could also use scaling options like scale content to paper width. This ensures that even the widest of handwritten or typed sections find their place comfortably on the page. With everything set, you should now feel confident in clicking the print button. Whether you're printing for records, sharing with a colleague, or simply enjoying the tactile satisfaction of your digital notes on paper, these steps make the process seamless. And that wraps up today's walkthrough. Remember, taking a moment to set everything up thoughtfully can save you both paper and time. Happy printing, and until next time, enjoy exploring the endless possibilities that OneNote offers.